everyone, and welcome back to Island Mama. Today, guess what we're going to do? We're going to make a shepherd's meal. So yes, we're doing shepherd's pie. Have you ever had any leftovers in your refrigerator that you want to get rid of, but you want to improvise? Well, today is the day to improvise. So we have this store-bought chicken, rotisserie, and we had rotisserie already a couple days ago. Now we want to convert this into something tasty, yummy, and of course putting my own little specs on it. So follow me, don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and click the notification button so that you would know when any of my new videos come out again. If you have anything that you would like me to make, please leave a note in the comment for me. And let's go! Firstly, we are going to boil our potatoes, seasoning it with half a teaspoon of salt. Then we are going to mash our potatoes, and in order to get that smooth, velvety texture, we are going to put butter, a little bit of milk, and grated cheese. That's the secret. And FYI, did you know that shepherd's pie originated as a way to make use of leftovers? Yes, it did. You know what as well? It avoided both food and money getting wasted. Yes, I think it's a great idea. So instead of throwing out our stuff in the fridge that we're bored of eating day after day, we could take it and create new stuff with it that's going to help our palate rejuvenate. Yes. Hence, I'm going to perk up my flavors by adding fresh seasonings. I am using bandanya, aka shadow benny, and pimento peppers, which are two of the greatest culinary secrets of Trinidad and Tobago and the Caribbean. And after I debone my chicken, I'm going to pass it through the food processor because I want it to be palatable. I am also going to add garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a little black pepper to spice it up. Here we go. And guess what? I had mushrooms, onions, and corn hanging around. Also a little piece of carrot, so I grated that as well. And I'm going to also layer this in my dish. So now, first of all, I'm going to cook my mushrooms. It does not take long at all, 5 minutes tops, because when I saute the onion and my mushroom, I season it with a little salt, and possibly if you want black pepper, you can do that as well. When I cover it with a lid, it's going to steam very fast. So don't turn away from that stove. Keep your eye on it. And sometimes I use sriracha pepper. Now this sauce gives a variation of flavor, a bit of an Asian twist, so only if you like it, then use it. And as soon as you see your mushrooms cooked, then let's add our minced chicken or whatever meat that you're using that are leftovers. And the purpose of this now is to moisten our meat because it was in the refrigerator, right? So you can add butter, you can add a bit of oil in it as well, turn it up, warm it up, and let's get that oil coming to the surface. Now it's not going to be drenched in oil, we just want a nice smooth and buttery texture. And we are all ready to layer, so we are going to put butter in the base of our dish so that's going to prevent burning. We are putting one layer of potato, cheese, carrot, meat, corn, and continue our layering. Now, since the aim of this is to get rid of leftovers in the fridge and create a new something for our taste buds, then whatever vegetables you have in the fridge that you want to convert it, go right ahead. It's gonna turn out perfect in any way. And we know that cooking with cheese is always delicious. So don't forget, when we reach that top layer, we want to give a nice handful of grated cheese on the top so that our crust is going to be brown and it's going to be a bit chewy. That's what we're looking for in this dish. Let's go! By now, our oven should have been preheated 460 degrees Fahrenheit, just waiting for this baby. And what a delight! I can just picture myself on the green plains of Scotland, out there in the peace of nature, coming home in the evening to my mom's hot, sumptuous meal, so delicious looking. Yummy!